Hello, my name is Ashley Chapman and I'm the Vice President of Chapman's Ice Cream. Today we are going to be making black cherry ice cream sponge cake using 2-liter Chapman's Premium Black Cherry. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our springform cake pan and we're going to take our thin disc of sponge cake. Just going to insert that into the bottom like that. Now we got to grab our black cherry premium Chapman's ice cream. So just take nice big scoops, scoop it all inside springform cake pan here. Take one of my parchment rounds now and press down firmly. And then I'm going to just pop this in the freezer for a bit. What we're going to do is we're going to take our ruby rose chocolate and we're going to put that into a bowl, get that on a pot full of hot water just to melt down. You can just keep it off to the side. We're going to focus on our cherry preparation. So we're just going to take a small pot, a little bit of water. We're going to add in about half a cup of frozen black cherries. And now you're just going to take a little bit of sugar, about a quarter cup of sugar. So we're just going to put this on the stove and wait until we serve. And then as we slice it, we're going to drizzle it with this lovely cherry juice and add a couple of the nice, sweet black cherries. So next we're going to do a little bit of decoration. The ruby chocolate melted down here. So all we're going to do here, I'm going to take a little bit and we're just going to paint it on. I'm going to do the center and then I'm going to just paint the leaves in the center here. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get this out and assemble our cake. Now before we get anything onto our platter, I'm just going to take the leftovers of our chocolate here and I'm just going to put some in the middle. This is going to act as essentially chocolate concrete to keep our sponge cake from rolling around. Now I'm just going to grab our blowtorch and we're just going to heat it up slightly all the way around the edges. Go. Oh, there we go. And beautiful. Flip that upside down like that. And we can try to take it off. There we go. Here, flip it upside down. And don't forget to remove that parchment paper. That looks absolutely lovely. We're just gonna center that right onto our chocolate. And then of course we've got our beautiful flower-shaped sponge cake. Oh, that just makes me happy. And there it is. Using Chapman's 2-liter Premium Black Cherry ice cream, we have made our black cherry sponge cake ice cream cake. Enjoy.